my name is Luna, the cat cook. At dawn, the cat cook gets up. He puts a white hat on his head. He puts blue gloves on his paws. The cat cook bakes bread from a book. He looks at the book and yawns. He draws a fresh fish in the book. The cat cook smells smoke. He looks at the bread in the tray. Oh no, my bread is black. The cat cook digs a hole in the land. He hides the black bread in the hole. He thinks, I am not a good cook. Thank you.